Alright, guys, what's going on? Oh man, it's a little chilly out today. It's in the mid to high 40s, but you know, the sun is shining. We're gonna take the bike. I gotta go help my brother-in-law. So my sister and my brother-in-law started a new business doing permanent lighting on houses, like trim lighting. So we did an install yesterday. We got to finish up the install today. The business is relatively new. They got a lot going on in their lives right now, and so you know, I can help them do some work, be a good family member. I'm working for free, you know, on my days off. I'm literally going like so far from my house to where this job is like literally like catty corner, opposite side of town. Not just like opposite side of town from east to west, but also opposite side of town from south to north. So I hate riding in my work boots too. They're like so bulky. I got my Doc Martens on steel toe. It's so bulky. Like even my riding boots aren't this bulky, you know. I'm kind of used to it because like I used to ride my Cruiser in these boots, but it's different. There's been a lot of cops out lately. End of the year quota maybe. I gotta be a good boy and play it safe, play it chill. Remember, I'm just commuting. I'm not out ripping and tearing. Oh, wait till you guys see how beautiful this neighborhood is I'm going to. It's a nice new neighborhood. I don't know how new it is. It's a nice neighborhood out here in town. I noticed that like the craftsmanships on these houses are shit. Like they're really bad. The craftsmanship's bad. They really just throw these houses together nowadays. I've really been driving for 18 minutes now. That just shows you how far away this place is. Like, if I was in LA or any other city, this would be like a different town. Like this would be, but we don't do that in Bakersfield. We don't have different, like we don't have different cities. We have, it's just Bakersfield, and then we have different neighborhoods. Mini Cooper, put it in your pooper. He's in the car by himself with a mask on. This can't be too safe. I've been working, well, technically these were supposed to be my 2 days off. I've been working for at least 2 weeks straight. So I've been working like 16 days straight now. 2 of the days helping out my brother-in-law, but I'm still working, you know. So I'm a tired boy. I'm a very tired boy. Napoli. Luciano. Oh, those are like Italian names, huh? It must be out of that neighborhood. You got the Mafia. See, look at these houses. Look how cool that is. The balcony like that. And then my wife loves the houses with the 3 windows in front. It's cool that they're making them like that again. Talladega Nights, buddy. Alright guys, I'm gonna get to work. Damn, they got a nice car in here. That's the Grand Wagoneer. Alright. I'm gonna go pick up some supplies for my brother-in-law. We got the company card. Should we go buy stuff? Should we go Christmas shopping? Go buy motorcycle parts? So it's gone up 10 degrees since I've been here. It was so hot, like it's cold outside, but the sun makes it warm, so it's nice. Gotta run to the house, got a brochure. Gotta grab some silicone caulking. You guys are seeing the nice side of town today. You guys are lucky. Dude, cruising around town on a bike is just so much fun. It's so much better than being in a car. He was like, you want to go run some errands for me so I don't have to? I was like, yeah. It's not paying any attention. Dude, look at these cool arcade games they got. They got the road racing arcade games. It's so sick. This old school pinball. Off to Home Depot we go, oh. Wheelies are getting exponentially better now. It's crazy how two people can grow up and live completely different lifestyles. Me and my sister just lived completely different lifestyles growing up. I mean, well, growing up, no, we lived the same lifestyles, but the same parents, same living situation, everything. But it's crazy how you can have two different life paths coming from the same thing, you know. I just look cool. That's the reason why people want to do wheelies, because they look really fucking cool. Like, wheelies look so cool. Like, when you see someone do a wheelie down the street, it's just like, oh my god, that guy is so freaking cool. That guy is so cool, man. He did a wheelie, man. He's so cool, man. You're coming up to Home Depot, man. Alright guys, the Home Depot. Alright, where's cack? I need to get some cack. I love buying cack. Hey, where's your cack at? Alright, I got it. Alright guys, mission accomplished. Cue San Andreas music and San Andreas dance. I used to do that at the gym after you work out. The dance that CJ does. I'd finish my reps and do that dance. Alrighty, back to that job site. Oh, the last jobber. One more jobber, then I'm out of the game. No more jobs after the last jobber. Baby, it's cold outside. I have so much fun just riding around. It's riding, but it should be illegal how much fun I have. Maybe it is illegal. Maybe it probably is. I got the need for tweed. Man, I'm gonna take off. Let me know if you need anything else. No, thank you, bro. Alright, I got 13% battery, should be enough to get home. I didn't bring my other battery with me today, but I'm done for the day. It sucks now because it's not like super cold out, but like it's 61, but I'm a little sweaty now, so I've been up in that attic wiring the inside of the lights, and I'm freaking dirty as hell. I'm pissed. I should have took my jacket off before I went up there, but I don't want to get that stuff all over my skin. It is what it is. We're riding home. It's a beautiful day. Which way do I want to go home? Oh, I'll go straight to light screen. Oh yeah, third gear clutch up. Fuck yeah. I knew this bike could do it. I just knew I couldn't do it. But I just did it. Yeah. I'm getting better. I could tell, like, my improvement today is vastly greater than my confidence on the bike is very high today, which is good. It's what it takes to do wheelies. You gotta be confident. We gotta learn too. It's been a process. You guys have been there. Whoever's, if you, I don't know, some of you guys probably been watching the whole time. My whole wheelie learning has been documented on this channel. So when I'm actually ripping dank tuners, bro, and go back and look at all the old ones. I got 9% battery left. Will you guys make it home with me, or will I ditch you somewhere on the streets? Stay tuned and find out. Oh yeah, dude, my friend, I'm still waiting. I'm so excited. I don't know when it's gonna be here. It was supposed to be here on Friday, but it's not here yet. My friend got me a gift for my bike. I'm so freaking stoked to see what it is. Like, I'm so freaking stoked. I want to learn how to do wheelies with my girl in the back. I think she'd like it. She'd be petrified at first, but once she got used to the feeling, you know how confident I'd have to be in my ability of doing wheelies before I did a wheelie with anybody on the back, especially my girl? Bro, let me tell you. I don't think my camera's gonna let me make it home. One of my main goals of 2023 is to like get monetized. So if you're out there, just give me a subscribe. Just it costs you nothing, it's free. Help me get the channel monetized. But 2023, I want to get at least 1,000 subscribers and get my 4,000 watch hours, which I'm close to my watch hours. I just need the subscribers. So please subscribe, it costs you nothing.